Hello and welcome. I'm Mr. Paul and you are watching Easy Talk. After 12 years, it is going to be Maha Kumbh. Maha Kumbh is happened after a difference of 12 years. So it's going to be 13 January to 1626, 13 January to 26 February uh, in Prayagraj in UP. So the government, in central government as well as state government, they urge to be implemented many project and increase better infrastructure so that in this context, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is going to Prayagraj on Friday to inaugurate, to launch a 5,500 crore project of the infrastructure. The pilgrimage who will come in this area, but they have no disturb. In this context, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is going Friday for launch a 5,500 crore project. Here, among this project, here, you know, 4,000 acre area are covered for the Mela, for the fair. Here, 1.6 lakh tents have been deployed and 9 Pakka Ghat to be built up for the pilgrimage to worship for freely and better. Here 6,700 street light to be set up in this area and 400 kilometer of temporary road is constructing now. And in this area, people are being no disturbed. That's why set up two additional power center and 66 new transformer to uninterrupted power supply. And same as uninterrupted water supply here, deployed 200 water ATM and 85 water booth and 1,249 pipeline water will be set up. The work is now continuing. And same as 1.5 lakh toilet is being set up. 10,000 Safai Kormi are being deployed to clean up the area as well as the clean up toilet. Here, this Kumbho, it's think that it's a project that's to be how to Kumbho is going to green Kumbho, reform its, transforming its Kumbho as a green Kumbho. Why? How? It's a sampling of 3 lakh tree plantation program so that the oxygen supply is not adequate because here many people are gathering 40 crore people to be think here would be gathering 40 crore people because this mela will be happened consecutively 12 years, so that's why many people are coming in this Mahakumbh. Here it's think that it is the largest peaceful largest peaceful mela and largest peaceful people gathering. It's think that. And railway minister Osni Bosnov, he spoke out that 13,000 train will be deployed for the people for the pilgrimage so that they are going there simply and easily. There have not any disturb. Among them, 3,000 special train are being deployed and think that 2 crore passenger by traveling train they are reach out to Mahakumbh. So it would be the great Kumbh and the world largest religious peaceful gathering.